Gusto mo ba ng stock na hindi basta-basta nawawala sa uso at tuloy-tuloy ang kita? Electricity powers homes, Meralco powers portfolios. Isa ito sa pinaka-solid dividend stocks sa bansa. Meralco or Manila Electric Company is the largest electric distribution utility in the Philippines, powering over 8 million customers in Luzon. It is a blue-chip stock backed by big names like MVP Group and JGS Summit. It has a solid track record, consistent earnings, and reliable dividends. Average yield is around 4% to 5% annually. Even during market volatility, Meralco is steady kasi people and businesses still need electricity kahit anong mangyari. Quick facts, consistent revenue growth dahil nga kahit anong mangyari, kailangan ang serbisyo nila. High dividend payout ratio, consistent revenue, consistent din at mataas ang dividendo. Defensive stock, ideal sa long-term position. If you are looking for stable income and long-term growth, Meralco might be your kind of stock. Ang tip po natin dyan, pwedeng i-add natin ang blue chip stocks kagaya ng Meralco to diversify and strengthen your portfolio at lalo na dahil considered ito bilang defensive stock.